Ang pera pumapasok ay dapat higit sa pera lumalabas. First world culture is the fruit C. C stands for what? Change. Everybody say change.
Change.
Change your lifestyle. Lifestyle check muna tayo. Kaya ba ng lifestyle mo yung allowance mo?
Yes.
Diba? Tanong mo muna. How often do you go out and gumigimik kayo ng mga friends mo? Pag gumimik kayo, more or less, magkano ang damage? Magkano? 1K. Wow, social. Gusto ko na maging friend. Hindi, 500? Mga magkano?
100.
200, 250. Oo na, pag gumimik, magkano? More or less, yung realistic. 50 to 100? Ha? 250? 50? Kada tao?
Chip in.
Sige, chip in. Pero, kako kadalas yung ginagawa yun? Kako kadalas?
Every Friday.
Once a week or once a month?
Once a week.
Hindi, totoo!
Once a week. Once a week. Every Friday.
Once a week? Ikaw? Once a week? Once a week? Okay, once a week, 50 pesos. Times mo ng 4 weeks, 200 naman. Times 12 months. Kanyari, 12 months. 2,400. So, in other words, check mo, magkano ba allowance ngayon? Allowance per day. 100 and more is 100, 2,000 a month. Kasi 20 days. So, in other words, kung nag-50 ka, a week ka, 1 month ng allowance mo, napupunta sa gimmick. So, in other words, feeling mo, parang hindi mo kaya yun. So, adjust. Instead of 4 weeks pa mag-gimmick, 2 weeks na lang. So, in other words, adjust pa. Nag-gets nyo? Ang solution, hindi dagdag allowance. Ang solution, adjust ang lifestyle mo. May mga iba sa inyo. Pakinig kayo. Please don't miss this out. I want to teach you how to create wealth right now. Talagang kulang. Kung kulang, may kasabihan. Kung maikli ang kumot, kailangan matutong. Paano wala ng kumot? Hindi maghirap. Gumawa ng sarili kumot. A stands for what? Always be open-minded for other what?
Opportunities.
Students, listen. Don't ever think that you're a student, you need to wait for you to graduate before you start earning money. That's a wrong mindset. Ask me why.
Why?
Let's say I'm going to teach you how to swim. Swimming class tayo. You enroll at my swimming class. Tuturuan kita for 4 years inside the classroom. Breaststroke, freestyle, diba? Butterfly. After 4 years, graduate ka, summa cum laude, ikaw nag-top sa swimming class mo. Pero problema, hindi ka pa nakaka-swim sa swimming pool. Nung graduate ka with honors, talon ka ngayon. Pagtalon mo, nalunod ka. Kasi nagpaano ka sa loob ng classroom, pero hindi ka na hindi mo na-practical yung nag-gets yun? Maganda yung edukasyon, pero kailangan habang nag-aaral ka, dapat tinatry mo na yung konsepto. In the 21st century, learning by doing. Nag-gets nyo? So, as early as right now, okay, may konsepto ka. Try ka na ngayon, dapat you start earning already. Okay, right now, listen. I'll show you. Sige, ito ka lang. Okay lang ba kung mag-overtime tayo? Okay lang? Baka may lakad pa kayo?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
Ako meron eh. Well, seriously ka. I'm going to teach you. Ito, hindi mo pa tinuturo. Hindi mo pa nilalabas. Kasi mga na-interview mo, I've interviewed the owner of Robinson's Land, Away. I've interviewed the owner of Hamilton Place, Mr. Cecilio Pedro Pong. I interviewed the owner of French Baker, si Mr. John Otowa. I've interviewed the owner of Seagull, Mr. Glenn Yu. I've interviewed the owner of Paris France, Kenny Rogers. I've interviewed a lot of rich people. And listen, I found out there are 21 things, 21 secrets of the rich. Why they are rich. Now, do you want to learn some of them? Yes or no? Yes. I hope you're taking notes. Secret number 1 of the rich people never put their eggs in one basket. Rich people never put their eggs in one basket. Bakit? Pag nilagay mo lahat ng iyong itlog sa isang basket, pag nabutas ng basket, basag lahat ng itlog mo, wala kang kakainin bukas. Ang kakainin mo, scrambled. So guys, listen. Wala pa akong nakitang mayaman na iisa ang kanyang cash flow. Wala pa akong nakitang mayaman na iisa ang kanyang negosyo. NBC, ilang negosyo? Lusotan, ilang negosyo? Kokong Way, Ayala. Name me one millionaire na isa ng negosyo. Yes. Because they know for a fact, pag humina yung isa, meron pang iba. Now, allow me to share with you the cash flow quadrant of Robert Kiyosaki for you to better understand. Majority of the middle class people, isang cash flow. Anong cash flow nila? Anong cash flow? Trabaho. Employment is good. But if that is of your cash flow, it's not enough. Tama ka na eh. Di ba kanina pinakita ko na sa inyo, lifetime income, 4.8 million. So, ano gagawin? You create other sources of what? Cash flow. But listen. Secret number 1, ano? Secret number 2, write this down. Rich people never kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Never kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Never kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Guys, I hope you're really taking down notes. Why? Because these are the things that you will learn in Ateneo, in Lasal, in MBA. You're getting this information for free. Never what? Kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Huwag mong patayin yung bago, yung manok, yung inahin at bibigay sa inagin mo ang itlog. Ano ibig sabihin na? Listen, kung ang main source of income mo ay ano, huwag kang gagawa ng bagay na makasira sa iyong trabaho dahil yan ang golden goose mo. Kung gusto mo mag-sideline, walang problema, may problema, dapat hindi may conflict. Like, teacher, pwede silang tutorial, pero hindi pwede sa estudyante. Sa ibang campus, sa ibang student, pero hindi pwede personal. May conflict of interest yun. Tama mali? So, if you have already protected yourself, walang conflict of interest, let's go to the next basket. Next basket, you can be self-employed. When you say self-employed, Monday to Friday you work, Saturday, Sunday, you have a free day, you can go into sales. Pwede ka magbenta ng real estate, insurance, casino, longganisa, or if not, direct selling ka, benta ng mga plastic, di ba? Yung mga Tupperware ba? Yung mga ganon. Para may additional income ka. Do you follow? Next question. Sino sa inyo hindi kayo mahilig magbenta dahil medyo mahiyain kayo pagkasa mga? May mga iba sobrang mahiyain, hindi pa kinakausap ang kanyang sarili. Pero, kahit sabihin natin mahiyain ka, may talent ka, may alam ka. Ako mali. Like for example, listen,